Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to access the screen recorder settings on your Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply for the other Redmi Note 14 phones. So maybe you're wondering, where can I access the screen recorder settings? It's pretty simple. All you have to do is simply swipe down from the top right corner and then scroll through the icons and find the screen recorder icon. Then from here, you simply have to press and hold it for a few seconds and it will bring the screen recorder settings. Alternatively, you can simply open the settings and then scroll down and select additional settings. And then within the additional settings, simply find the screen recorder option, tap on that, and then it will take you to the same page. Now from here, you can customize the screen recorder settings to suit your needs. So if you'd like to customize the resolution, simply tap on the resolution and then choose the resolution that you'd like. So there's 800 by 480, 1280 by 720 and 1920 by 864. Choose the one that you prefer. And then you can also change the video quality. So you can set it from 1 Mbps to 100 Mbps if you'd like it. And then you can change the screen orientation. So you can choose auto to detect the screen orientation. Or if you want to lock it at portrait, you can select portrait. Or if you want to lock it at landscape, you can simply choose landscape. Also, you can choose the sound source. So if you want to have the sound source coming from the phone's microphone, or you can choose to select the system sounds, or you can decide to choose both of them. Or if you don't want sound on your screen recorded videos, you can simply tap on none. And also you can adjust the frame rate for your videos. So you can either choose from 15 FPS to 90 FPS if you prefer. And also there's some additional settings, recording options that might be available. So you can lock screen to end the screen recording. You can show the touch gestures during that particular screen recorder, or you can simply show the button taps when you're recording your screen. So that's basically it on how to access the screen recording settings on your Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.